Alright, hey guys, here's a fan you wouldn't typically see in my collection. This fan actually kind of came to me accidentally in a way. So basically what happened was there was a exchange at Fanimation. Obviously you had to show up, you weren't just going to get stuff. But as long as you made a donation, you got fans. Kind of. Like, it's kind of a free donation, but like at the same time you're donating money, so not really, but anyways, yeah, this was part of it. Also got two other fans that will hopefully sooner or later show up. Still have to get some parts for them. Anyways, this is a Sahara Baja or something like that. I actually don't really know. Anyways, it's a Sahara. Pretty cheaply made fan. Quality's pretty poor. It does have a pretty good sized motor in it, given the quality of the fan. So it's kind of weird. Usually you don't see crappy fans with big, or not big motors, but alright sized motors. Yeah, it's kind of a cheap thing. I mean, I really don't care for it at all. When I opened the box, I kind of looked at it and I'm like, this doesn't look like a Fanimation at all. Main reason I bought it was because of the blades. I figured I could use my other fans, but turns out I was wrong. I think it's also supposed to come with a light kit. That's what the second pole chain is for. It does have a standard reverse switch, so I don't know if this is rated for outdoor use or not. Because it just has a standard pole chain, doesn't have like a little cover on it. But I mean, not all outdoor fans had that. Anyways, yeah, let's get started on low. We'll do like a close-up of it. Blades are sort of cool, I guess. How they kind of go toward the bracket. Vents are alright, but it's got some really cheap fabric kind of stuff in there instead of normal vent screening. The color is kind of nice. It's kind of like a iron finish. Alright, there we go. Anyways, starting off on low. Why does Baja not sound right to me? Oh, Admore, that's it. Just clicked. Yeah, my guess this isn't really rated for outdoor use. It's more of an indoor fan with plastic blades. Alright, go to medium. It's actually not a bad low. I'd prefer something slower though. Alright, I am getting a little bit of a breeze from it. Yeah, actually not a bad breeze. Took a second. Go to high. It's really not a bad breeze. I don't know what to compare it to. It's like in between K55 and Hunter. Maybe closer to K55. Yeah, pretty good, especially for a palm-bladed fan. So it's not my favorite as far as build quality goes, but I've probably had worse. Do spin down. Doesn't look like any blades are on the clock, so I don't know why it wobbles. I mean, a couple of them are like just a hair out of the clock, so maybe that's why. I wasn't actually able to find this model online, like this exact model. I found the motor, but they didn't have anything like they didn't have these blades paired with this motor. So I'm wondering if it was like, this doesn't really seem like the kind of thing that would be customizable. I don't know where these were sold. I think Home Depot maybe. Maybe they still are like on Home Depot online, but yeah, I don't know how it ended up at Fanimation. I'm guessing what they did was they went out, they bought one of these, put it. Okay, so they claimed their fan. So I'm thinking what happened was the people. Okay, let's just start all over. Someone went out and bought an Islander from Fanimation. They claimed it was damaged in shipping, so Fanimation asked, okay, we'll send us the old fan, we'll send you a new one. So what they did is they went out and bought one of these, thinking, ooh, we could only spend, $100-something on a second Islander or whatever, instead of spending whatever an Islander cost brand new. So that way they're spending the cost of an Islander and this as opposed to two Islanders. And either someone figured it out and they never got their second fan, or they didn't notice and they got a second fan for, like half the cost or a third of the cost or whatever. So yeah, that's just my theory. Anyways, there's the Sahara Admore thing. Hope you guys enjoyed, and thanks for watching.